weekly vlog. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rufaro. I make lifestyle and travel videos. Please don't forget to like the video. It really helps me a lot. And please don't forget to watch the adverts. Try not to skip the ads, or at least one set. I won't skip. Please try not to skip at least one set of ads in a video. Of course, not skipping all of them can be frustrating, but maybe just one. It really helps me, and it's possibly the main way of earning through content creation. Thank you for that. This past week was a very difficult week for me in terms of creation. I was so swamped at work, so I didn't get enough time to actually capture a lot of things that could have been interesting. But yeah, so this is the weekly vlog. I'm actually filming this today, as I plan to upload the video today. So what you're seeing right now is today. Today is what? 10 September? 9 September. Today is 9 September, so I'm going to upload this video today. Hope you guys like this video. So this is how I plated, you see. So we're just having sandwiches and tea. Now this is for hubby. Let me say. But can you see this is the sandbox? Can you see? And then there'll be sand inside, and then the kids can play in the sand and sit here. But it looks small, I don't. But you get it. This one is too big. Bench. What's in there?
It's a rabbit. Rabbits. Nyoka zinodyara ngwizi.
But the fence is quite tight.
We once had rabbits at home. Wow, rabbits are so good.
are back in the kitchen again. We are boiling matrotas. We want to eat matrotas with sipu, so we're boiling them. Our papa that made porridge. Hello, hi guys, welcome to another day in my channel. I'm just coming from a run. Some people say it's controversial because what I call a run is very slow paced, so people often say, "Oh, you even running?" But yeah, I do what I can. I believe it's better to start from somewhere. So I'm currently in my laundry room, so it's just a spare bedroom that we don't use, so we use it for ironing. And I keep my clothes in this wardrobe because my clothes cannot fit in the wardrobe in our bedroom, so I keep my clothes here. So today is a Sunday. I'm going to work at Yarut's Adventure, so I am going to just look for something to wear. It's quite a dusty place, so I don't really like to wear shorts. Yes, wow, thank you, this for me. So I'm just going to try and go through my wardrobe and see what I can wear. Unlike most bougie people, Martin, all right. Unlike most bougie people, bougie mothers on YouTube, my clothes are not color coordinated. I just put my clothes and I don't care to coordinate them whatsoever. They are mostly black. You can see that. Sometimes they are coordinated but not color coordinated. Maybe if someone can give me tips on how to keep my clothes in order nicely. Sometimes I just put like maybe work blouses in one pile, shorts one pile, t-shirts one pile, pants, tracksuits in one pile, and then I keep maybe a bunch of my dresses here. Dresses or things that can't really be folded well, I just put them there. So I want to try and figure out what to wear today. I'm going to wear this biker shorts, which I thrifted about a month ago.
I'm going to sleep, Mama.
You're going to sleep?
No, to sleep.
You're going on a trip?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. And then I want to try.
I want to try the favorite too.
You know what? I can't really wear something skimpy.
You know what, Mom?
Because I will be working, so I don't like receiving my visitors when I'm looking
You know what, Mom?
hot
You know
or
why?
not hot, but like
Mama,
sexy,
you know what?
because I think it can be intimidating or just a little bit weird, like when someone wearing a little short comes to you, hi, welcome.
I'm making noise,
It's a little bit weird.
I'm making noise, Mama.
You are making noise for me, yes. So let me try find pants. So I think I'll wear these pants. They are also easy. Can I buy any dust? Yeah. Then I'll just wear this black top, and this is what I'm going to wear. Then I'll wear my black tennis shoes. That's also, let's get away from this place. So now before I bath, let me make my bed. I don't do anything fancy to my bed yet. I plan on doing that. So I'll just spread my bed like a basic average person, teenager. Let's remove the laptop. You know what? Let's open the windows.
Mama, I'm like donuts, Mama. I want to like donuts, Mama. I want to like the donuts, Mama.
So my outfit, I put it here as I go to bath. That's my outfits. I'm already feeling so exhausted. I think it's from the run. But let me just drag you guys throughout my day. My boring day. Sometimes nothing fancy happens. Sometimes it's just life.
Follow, baby.
Sunday. Sugar beans. 5 grams mangan. Yes, imbiye. Sam muda makeji manga. Chero. Ini udah 3 cups. So this is my 3 cups of beans. This is 1. This is sugar beans that we bought from Sika, and we also got derere. 1 derere, 2 derere, 3 derere.